Gianfranco, let's try some rapid fire questions, shall we?
Let's go.
Okay. Now, when you look into the future, what kind of businesses will no longer be relevant or will cease to exist?
I believe intermediary businesses. Everybody is going direct now, or is trying to go direct. So whether it's business to consumers or business to businesses, all the intermediaries will have to either reinvent themselves or will be in trouble.
What kind of companies will thrive?
The companies that will thrive in the future are the companies that are business models focused on sustainability and products that have sustainability characteristics. I think the consumers will go in that direction.
And what kinds of new businesses will arise?
Businesses that will take advantage of the new industries that will emerge. And these are mostly in the green area, meaning renewable energies, meaning waste management, meaning everything that is associated with the green development of the world.
What is the one thing that worries you a lot about the future?
The fact that governments, institutions, and to some extent people do not see the urgency of turning towards a greener economy. I believe that the rebound from the pandemic will have to be green, will have to be a green recovery.
What is the one thing that you are most hopeful about?
That at the end, we will go through a green recovery and we will create a world that is better for anyone to live in. This is my hope.
What is the one thing, the most key and important thing that children of this generation need to get ready for in terms of either a skill set or a way of thinking?
The combination of technology acumen and human ingenuity will be the magic mix for the future. One of the two will probably not be enough. It might create a specialist, but the combination of the two will make the children of this generation successful in the future.
You left your family business when you were a young man and decided to blaze a path of your own.
You know, from time to time, I'm asked what parents should give to their children to make their future brighter. And I reflect on my own experience. When I asked my father permission to try something else, and he gave me the freedom of choice, that's the single most valuable thing that he gave me in his entire life. That moment when he allowed me to go after my destiny, that was the moment in the relationship in between myself and my father. And I say I was adventurous, but I wasn't a rebel, because if he would have said, I appreciate your desire, but I need you here, I would have not gone. And that would have changed my life. So that moment is so profound and so important in my life that I try to make sure that everyone thinks about giving their children the ability to go after their destiny, to make their choices. Because when they make their choices, it's very likely that they will put their passion, their commitment, their energy to create something.
In year 2020, Accenture launched its new purpose to deliver on the promise of technology and human ingenuity.
I felt this is the one. The idea of combining technology and human ingenuity is so Accenture, is so us. Our ability to magnify, to augment human ingenuity, leveraging technology to the benefit of our clients, our employees, the communities, is what Accenture is about. I think that this is a way for us to be unique, visionary, but also create a longevity in the way we can impact ourselves and the world in which we live. So I'm really excited about the purpose because it's fresh and is exactly who we are.
Thank you very much for that most fascinating conversation. Gianfranco Casati, the CEO of Accenture Growth Markets.
Thank you, Grace.